All right, guys, welcome back to part 2. We're going to finish up this wild day. I cannot wait for you guys to see how this day turned out. If you haven't seen part 1 already, I'll be sure to link that in the description below. Let's get into it. So good thing it looks like there might be a new roof and like some new 2x4s around the edges. Did they just start this renovation?
Yeah, it's the guy that's been working on it is just really slow.
Yeah.
And he's tired of it.
Cool. Did he give you a price he wants for it?
No.
He just wants to know what I could do?
Yeah.
Okay, that'll be fine. Let's look in here first. Looks like there might be a bathroom back here. Or they're roughing in a bathroom, so I wonder if this is a secondary.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's second.
Well, that's good, because I was thinking it was just going to be a 1 bathroom. So this is good because the reason they probably put the bathroom here is because this is an exterior wall. So like all of the plumbing is easier to just come in off this exterior wall versus knocking down walls inside. So they've got some like, looks like what was the original hardwoods, but it's probably, I wonder if this is also an addition.
Yeah, like if there was a porch maybe.
Yeah. Because this is just plywood.
Yeah.
This is the original hardwood.
You're probably right.
Doors are new.
Oh.
I think we're gonna try to take this one off your hands, just by the looks of it so far.
Yeah, I haven't forgotten about you.
I appreciate it. The tile, they've done some of it.
Hi.
Hello.
This is the owner.
How you doing?
Yeah,
Doing well. Thanks for letting us come by. Are all of the materials included? You gonna leave it or are you taking some?
Everything. Included.
Okay. Do you know how much you want for it?
You tell me how much you pay and I know if you're serious or not.
That sounds good. Can we check out that back house?
Can they go around?
Yeah, you can.
Cool.
You can look there.
It's actually not that bad. I think you'd probably need to put new siding on. I'm gonna ask him about the plumbing, because if there's plumbing already there, then just lay some floor. The sheetrock is already inside for the walls and the ceiling, and then new siding. I'm gonna climb up here and see if I can see the roof. I can't really see the roof that well.
You can ask him.
So right now I'm thinking that this rehab floors, the painting's already done, new doors are already in, kitchen pretty much already done, just appliances. I didn't see any appliances, did you?
Nope.
The siding is probably gonna be between 5 and 10 grand. Another 10 grand inside. Probably 20K, maybe 5K for the back. So
Are you gonna give him an offer right now, or?
I'm gonna see if the agent has run any comps, because if she can tell me generally what it might be worth, especially because the other house down the street, that's the one we're buying in like 6 weeks. That one, we said we could get, I think we said we can get $100 a square foot. So this one's $980. So yeah, we're probably looking at 25K on the rehab. See what you say? Okay, so we can always go for it.
line
Okay.
of credit. Cash.
Cash.
So what's happening right now?
So she's gonna go make an offer for 90,000 cash as is. I'm thinking that I trust her that we could resell, or it would be worth 140,000 at the end of things. And if there weren't any materials included, I would call this a $25,000 rehab. Given that most of the materials are here, that means we'd just be paying for labor. I probably can do a lot of labor myself. So probably looking at like more like a $10,000, $15,000 rehab. So I'm hoping he'll take 90.
No, nice. There you go.
How are you going to buy it?
Cash.
I like your style.
I do my best.
Straightforward.
That's what I did when I started. We got about. Can we get up the contract? Yeah.
No, we're already under contract. She's buying for that.
Oh, she's the one?
Yep. Is that yours down there too?
Yeah.
I'm dead. So there should be a bundling discount.
Well,
I'm buying that one.
well, that's great. I said,
You know?
I don't know, because I like your style. I said, get up to the contract and sell
And
it
sell to
out.
me.
Yeah.
I like your style too.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, we'll close on that one once the title's ready.
Right. Well, this one I got all the paperwork ready.
You have the abstract.
Yeah.
We can close in the morning.
Are you sure?
Cash is ready.
She does not play.
Okay. How about you pay her the commission? And we got a deal.
90K?
Yeah, 9K and you pay her the commission.
What do you want, 4.5%?
That's fine.
I'll pay her 4.5%. We'll pay our own closing costs. 90K cash. Leave all the materials. We'll take it as is.
You got a deal.
Oh.
Is that better?
Yep.
I'm a car dealer, so I know how to deal.
I'm glad we got the deal done. It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for giving me a call. I appreciate it.
Oh, and also 20 minutes.
Bruh. My hands are shaking.
Why?
Because I'm like, I've never done that before, you know?
Do you feel good about it?
Oh, I feel great about it. I feel great about it. I feel great about it. But I'm going to call my mom.
Okay. Oh, she's a quick.
I'm her favorite child. Of course she answers quick. Hello, mother.
I have the phone in my hand. I'm in the car.
Where are y'all going?
Just get a delivery from Walmart.
Okay, well, guess what?
What?
You know the house on that the closing is a little delayed for?
Mm-hmm.
So that agent, you know, she's still working on getting that done. They're working on the paperwork. It's fine. But she texted me and said, hey, I've got another house on that street. It's the same owner from the house a few doors down. He's like, I like how you do business. I wanna leave that person and do business with you and sell to you. I'm like, that's me.
Wow.
So he's like, oh yeah, let's do it. 90K, we shook on it. The agent is writing up the contract right now. It's crazy how things work. Like, I was literally so sad that I missed out on that deal. Oh, not even a week ago. Wait, what's today?
It was Friday.
It was Friday.
It was a Friday.
It was a Friday. I was so sad. I was so
And I
sad.
literally told you.
And everybody's like, something better will come along. And I was like, no, it won't. I missed out.
No, I didn't feel that way at all. I felt like if it was for you, you would have gotten it.
Period.
Man.
This is better. This is even better.
Free material.
2 houses on the same street, free materials included. That's easily, Ma, $15,000 worth of materials, maybe $20,000.
That's awesome.
Because it's all the wood floor, it's all the tiles. The house has already been painted. All of the doors are new. New kitchen cabinets, new kitchen sink, new kitchen countertops. Like, it's wild.
That's crazy. I can't wait to see it.
Me too. We just pulled up at the house. I'm gonna go in and just, make sure I feel good about everything, and then call Ethan and tell him about it and send him some pictures.
Alrighty, well, holler at us later.
Alright, love you.
Love you, my darling.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Yo, I still cannot believe this happened. So let's look on the computer and run some numbers. Remember, the agent thought we could get $140,000 for this property, and I worked with her on the other house. She did a good job. I'm hoping that she was right. I think that she's probably very close, pretty accurate. So this is the property, and I'm looking at all of the properties like right around here. I'm looking at all of the sold homes in the last 6 months that were under 1,500 square feet. Now this property is supposed to be 980 square feet, but remember, they closed in that back porch and they closed in the garage. So actually, before I do the comps, I want to check on the county assessor's website to see what they have the square footage listed at, and if that 980 square foot includes the that back area, or even the front porch or the front garage. So let's see. So here's the property. Yeah, so if you look at this, it's saying that that porch area is 168 square feet. So we actually have about 1150 on the square footage of the house, and then the attached garage is 336. So 1150 on the house, about 1484 on with the attached garage. So 1150 is that main house. So that's why I'm looking at all of the comps that have sold less than 1,500 square feet in the last 6 months. We can see that we're starting about that $165 square foot, 220,000. So her guess of 140,000, just at first glance, might be okay. This one, I actually don't think that's a flip. I'm looking for other properties that were flipped or updated like this one. Okay, so this is 792. It sold for $160 a square foot. So we said we had 1150 on the square footage. If we were to sell for $160 a square foot, that's 184. It's 184,000. We're thinking we might be at 140,000, right? So this is just one property. That's not the end all be all. I'm still gonna look through all of the other sales, but I'm just saying the price per square foot means we're probably pretty on point. This one isn't a freshly updated property, but it's actually really nice. You can see it's still sold for 160. Here's one that is sold for 155. It's a 2-1. These are all 2-1s, by the way. We have a 3-2. Here's a 2-1 that's very nice, updated, sold for 155. Here's a 2-1. I know this property. Yep, that's a freshly updated one. No pictures. Here's a freshly updated one. And again, everything we looked at so far, these are still 2-1s. So ours probably even gonna have more value than the 155, 160. So I'm honestly not even worried. I think we got this deal at a great price. Here's a 3-2. It is a little bit bigger, but it's still a 3-2 and freshly updated, and it's sold for $140 a square foot, right? So if we're closer to that $140 mark, then we're at 140 times our 1148, and we're at 160,000. Like, we're still, the agent said 140,000. I think she did a good job. She was being pretty conservative. So I think we're probably somewhere in between the two, right? So I think I would say maybe it's not 160, maybe it's not 140. We're probably around the $150 a square foot mark. So I feel really good about that. Oh no, where'd you go, Ethan?
Hello.
Hey, don't worry about it. Also, there's a bug that just flew by me, so now I have to kill it. So It's all good. I was wondering if you join the Zoom and we just stay on the phone, then I can share my screen with you and we can just talk over the phone. Does that work?
Okay. All right. Let me try that real quick then. Here, let's see if I can do both.
Okay.
I'll join it again. I think I saw you just at the end of when I got off.
Yeah, no, we missed each other. Also, the bug just disappeared, which is like the worst thing ever.
So where? Burn the house down.
Give me 1 second. Somebody's calling, but I'm gonna switch back over to you in a moment.
Okay. All right. There's like 3 of them. I took a picture before and after, and I just basically picked the top run above them up and pried up a little bit, and then nailed it back down, put them back in place.
Hey, Ethan, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Is the audio okay coming through the phone?
Yeah, that works.
Okay.
That's one way to bypass the problem.
Look, get creative. Also, just to make sure, I'm filming a vlog today for the channel, so are you cool if this phone call's featured?
Oh, yeah, that should be fine.
Okay, awesome.
I'm not as professional as I am with my mobile. my mobile office here, but.
No, you're totally fine. So I'm excited. All right, guys. So I knew today would be, you know, a pretty good day to vlog. I had to go here, I had to go there. I was like, let me take them with me. I had no idea it would turn out to be this awesome, this exciting. And, you know, I can't believe I was just literally saying earlier to you guys that like things are moving quickly, like things are picking up quickly and things are changing. Like my life is changing and it's just, it's wild, but I'm really excited for it. And I did not anticipate going to that property and making an offer and shaking on it right then and there. But usually I would have been like, okay, let me run my numbers, let me get back to you in an hour or something like that. But I just felt like that was kind of my lesson learned from last week when I missed out on that fourplex, was that I waited just a little bit too long to pull the trigger. And so I'm glad I did it. I just finished signing the contract via DocuSign. The agent just sent it to me, so it'll be good to go there. And I still have, you know, my due diligence period. I can still back out. I'm gonna put down $500 of earnest money. I'll get in there tomorrow with Ethan, with my contractor. And if something's not what we think it is and there's just some hidden thing that's wrong with the property, then we'll back out and cancel the contract. But, you know, getting it locked up, being decisive, it feels good. I feel really excited. So thanks for being here with me today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog as much as I have. If you want to see things like this in real time, I do go live on Instagram a lot of times while I'm out at properties as well. So follow me on Instagram at LilyInvest. Let me know what you think of this day down in the comments below. And until next time, thanks for watching.